बर्मिंघम के प्राइमरी स्कूल पार्क फील्ड ऑन रॉक में बच्चों को मुबैना काबिले एतराज मज़ामीन पढ़ाए जाने के खिलाफ बच्चों के वालिदैन समेत कम्युनिटी की बड़ी तादाद ने स्कूल के बाहर एहतजाजी मुजाहरा किया।
तफसीलात ताबिद काज़मी की इस रिपोर्ट में।
पार्कफील्ड स्कूल में ज़ेर तलीम बच्चों के वालिदैन और मुख्तलिफ मकातब फिक्र से ताल्लुक रखने वाले अफराद ने स्कूल के बाहर इंतजामिया के खिलाफ एहतजाज किया। मुजाहरा स्कूल में कम उम्र बच्चों को मुबैना तौर पर गैर अखलाकी मज़ामीन पढ़ाए जाने के खिलाफ किया गया। इस मौके पर मुजाहिरीन का कहना था कि हमारा एहतजाज फर्द वाहिद या किसी मकतब फिक्र के खिलाफ नफरत फैलाना नहीं, बल्कि वो चाहते हैं कि उनके बच्चों को काबिल एतराज मज़ामीन न पढ़ाए जाएं।
Allah, I don't no say Allah. This subject is good. It's not good. This subject.
We came here to protest. We are against what they're teaching our kids. We are Muslims. We are following our faith. That's what we are doing. We love our teachers. We don't hate them. They are good teachers.
The act of states and the exercise of any functions which is assumes a relation to education, to teaching, the state of shall respect the right of the parents to ensure such education.
Short, in less words as possible. Take no outsiders away. It's not right for children of this age.
मीडिया से गुफ्तगू करते हुए मुजाहिरीन ने मुबैना काबिल एतराज मजमून पर फिलफौरी पाबंदी का भी मुतालबा किया।
We are here protesting against the New Outsiders program because we respect people from LGBT, but we don't like the idea of promoting this for our children because this is against our principles.
Most people expect the school to be teaching stuff that's going to benefit their children in later life. Yeah, things like maths and English and sciences. And time spent getting the children to read books like Two Dads or King and King or Princess Boy or whatever else is going is taking at the best level, it's taking away from time that could be spent teaching other subjects. But even worse, it's confusing and corrupting the children, and it just needs to stop.
This is not appropriate for primary school. It should only be taught at secondary school level. Now, the stuff that they're teaching is not acceptable for any children, especially as young as 4. That is way too young. And the fact that, not just for the fact of our religious reasons, there's many other faiths that are involved, and there's many other communities that don't support it either.
He has not consulted the parents, and the parents were unaware of what he was teaching.
इस हवाले से स्कूल इंतजामिया का मौक़िफ़ जानने के लिए राब्ता किया गया, लेकिन उन्होंने अपना मौक़िफ़ देने से इनकार कर दिया। अबद काज़मी, 92 न्यूज़, बर्मिंघम।